How to set up employees for multi-location booking. Once you have multi-location features enabled in your software, you will need to set up your employees. Go to the Employees area. Here, you will see a toggle to view the location you are logged into or all locations employees. To show how employees function across multiple locations, we'll select one and walk through the settings specific to multi-location setups. We will start with the Appointment Setup tab. Check off the locations that the employee works at. If the employee needs a column on the appointment book, make sure to enable that option for each location they will be providing services at. Next, go to the Details tab. Here, there is a home location setting. This should be set to the primary location that the employee works at. Lastly, go to the Work Schedule tab. This area shows the employee's rotating schedule. If they are scheduled to work at a different location on a certain day each week, we can set that here. Each day's schedule has the option to change the location by clicking on the schedule block. You will see your locations in the Location drop-down menu. Employees can only be scheduled at a single location per day. A day cannot be split between multiple locations. You can also change employee schedules per week without affecting their usual rotating schedule if you want to make a temporary change. To do this, go to Utilities, click on Weekly Schedule. You can adjust hours and also change which location an employee is scheduled at, per day. If you ever want to adjust an employee's scheduled location for one day, you can also do so on the appointment book. Go to Appointments. Click on Adjust Hours. Choose the employee you want to edit. Change their scheduled location using the drop-down menu. Set their scheduled hours. Click Save. You will then be able to see them at the location you chose. We have now finished going over employees and scheduling with multi-location. Thanks for watching.